like you said.
When I say I'm early, I'm gonna be early.
Hello, Levi, you handsome boy. So,
I tried to say you got some people on TV, Levi. I see how it is.
how are you, Levi?
Yeah, because we always watch her.
Handsome. Baby, how are you? Hey, she's gorgeous, Kyrie. You make beautiful children.
Yeah, it's all Jamie's side.
No, no.
You think she wants to?
Oh, I don't know. Have you got Weet-Bix for her? Oh, McDonald. How are you, Levi?
Hopefully they're not holdouts and forget their nan. Don't forget their nan. Those girls.
They're yours. They're yours. Oh.
Levi, go say hi to Nan. Look, Nan there.
Did you go home early?
Got home just before 2 because I dropped off my mum and that because I didn't want them to pay for a taxi and stuff.
Did they have a good time? Yeah, it's good you went with them.
Yeah. But yeah, they had a good time. But they just keep talking.
I took it.
Yeah, when they're drinking, they talk too much.
No.
Yeah.
How are you? Oh, you got a gorgeous face, sweetheart.
Be careful there.
See, remember your little model when you were a baby. Like
So
Raymond.
skinny.
Oh, yeah.
Nice chips.
Here, baby. There you go. Thank you.
You're a little Miss Independent, eh? I can tell.
Where's your drink? Yeah, Mum, you can have this. Actually, no.
Behind you. They're behind you.
The other one. Oh.
You got some.
Right, first I'm happy on their chicken.
No, it's for one.
Don't worry, I've done a secret prayer for us.
How you doing with my sauce, mate? Turkey chicken. There's like 6 of them.
Do you want one of those? I'll grab it.
He did it himself.
April's a redhead. What is she doing that?
Mate, this is old.
This is a new one.
Mate, this is... Wait. This is like 2017, mate. Are you going to the festival? Right?
Where?
What's it called?
Happen?
The one in the city.
No, I don't go to stuff like that. No, never. Can't sit properly, please.
Hi, Jordy. You like me because I give you food, eh? Yeah? You're so pretty. This is your manners. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Let me see. If you run with this, you're going to put it in your face. It's going to hurt you, okay? So we give for Nana. She's going to color. Say hi, Auntie. Oh, cover your mouth. Cover your mouth, sweetie. Look at her little earrings. Yeah. Where's Levi? What's he doing? Yeah. Is Dad hungry now? Very easy. And it's this little girl here.
You want to come on? She still wants to come on.
Can you come on?
Hey guys, yeah, my niece is here with her little family, so I'm going to just go out and say hello. How are you? Hey? Oh, good to see you. Hey? Oh, great. Sorry about that. That's so quick. Come sit down.
See you. Come, they're gonna cut up the chicken and get something to eat.
So what's in here, sis?
Hot chips.
Oh, just hot chicken. Oh, God.
And here's me thinking there's two different things. Yes. No. Didn't she do 28 and she went to 29? That means she's 29 this year. We're not the same age.
Yeah, inhale.
You knew that? No, where did it come from?
Oh, it comes from the garage sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like... Bring it down.
No, kids, y'all.
Oh, my gosh.
But not even tomorrow or Monday.
Yo, Mara Carter came early this morning.
Sweetheart, can you come
Yeah.
Can you just fit in the recycle?
Did you see your daughter? Oh.
Oh, no, she was like a dress.
But what she never did not want to meet the big kids, man. That is killing me. Yeah.
Yeah, she can't give us a hug.
When she comes, she looks at me and runs away. She runs to your mom.
Yeah, what about here? I'll sit on this side then. I can sit on this side. Oh, this stand, come on this side together.
She wants to sit with Nana.
Yeah.
That is a side cute.
Yeah. Pasta.
What do you want from the
Yeah,
bag?
this one. Yep.
You guys all right? Girl. My forehead is right. Wait, I can't see.
Who got the ball over?
Don't play.
We did. We got the boy off.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, that's the team.
Good morning, everyone. Today my brother and I are going to Victoria Market. So we were planning driving there, but then we thought that we might carry too much bags, and I don't know, I just wanted to go for a ride on the train, but things have changed now, so we're going to go by car. I heard the market opens at 9 o'clock. The time now is 9:15, so it'll be hard to find park, I guess, but not looking forward to the big walk. No. Anyway, so we're going to go to the market, and I don't know why I would even want to spend anything. The only thing that Victoria, one of the nice things that Victoria has is that they sell nice, warm jackets and stuff. And if I could find me one, because my sister bought my mum one. Yeah, I think in Sydney they just sell the pretend warm jackets. But anyway, I'll take you along, guys, when we go. Okay. Hope you guys are all well. We only have what's today, Sunday, Monday, 2 more days, and then we're going back to Sydney. But for the meantime, gonna make the bed And then I'm going to go out to see if my brother's ready. I left her long beauty sleep. No, he's usually an early bird, my brother, so he's probably been waiting since 7 o'clock, and here I am. Oh, that wasn't a snore, guys. That was a snort. Yep, but... Yeah, I can see.
Oh no, I'm talking about the map.
Oh.
And that's right, keep doing what you're doing. You better start talking again, eh? This one's funny, she doesn't talk properly.
Yeah, she wants us to get lost.
Yeah, like hurry up and say when we're near it, then talk, eh? Don't just sit there until we go straight past.
No, she's laughing. She's going, well, she's going to the other nav, man. Watch these idiots take the wrong turn.
Yeah, no, they both laugh. And the other one goes, yeah, I'll set up someone over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we both have good laughs. You won't be laughing when you lose your jobs, eh? See, do I turn off now or do I keep going? What do I do? Arpatoki witch. Yeah, I'll go in here just in case I do have to keep going.
Did she say to turn left?
No, she hasn't said anything. That's my point.
Oh.
She said 8.7 kilometers and then turn off at a certain number. Turn off. So if we go,
might be it.
You reckon?
No, I don't know.
Todd Road. It didn't say Todd Road. Yeah. If she doesn't hurry up, we're gonna end up at the toll tunnel. Bitch. She hasn't said nothing. See, this is disgusting. Come on, at least one sign saying Victoria Markets.
In 2 kilometres, take exit W2 under 1 towards Kingsway.
There, remember that number, W201 or whatever, exit. Okay? There, see how it says W4?
Okay.
What did she say?
W201, isn't it?
Yeah, in 2K, so it's not that exit. It'll be one of these two. Melbourne Airport. See, you can come here without using the bridge.
Stay in the middle lane.
Oh, in the middle lane, eh? Yeah, the truck.
There's a middle lane and a freaking car next. There's trucks blocking it. There.
Maybe indicate now.
There. Wait. There. Oh, we turn off.
Oh,
We
Kings
turn off.
Road.
Yeah, this is our turn off.
Yeah.
Okay. I can be on either one.
Use the second lane from the left to take exit W2 under 1
Yeah,
towards
but the truck's
Kingsway.
taking 10 years, buddy. Okay.
Yes, yeah, we better just stay here and do as we're told.
Yeah, there's nothing I can do about the truck.
Probably because when you turn out,
Yeah, you probably
then
have to turn right.
Yeah.
No, that's the reason she's putting us on here for a reason. But remember, when you go to the city, there's a lot of streets where you can't turn right and turn left.
Oh yeah. So we better listen.
Oh well, as long as you keep talking, you might better bloody stay there, eh?
Take the exit.
Take the exit.
Now, once we get there, the tricky one is to find the car park. That's when your mother could walk the last time we came to
Use
this
the
market.
right lane to keep right onto 30 towards Docklands.
Docklands.
Yeah, we bought the old lady the last time here, mate.
Yeah.
And she was able to walk.
Oh.
Yeah. That's when they were walking around and Esther bought them some Cheerios and that. I remember that part. Oh,
Keep right, then keep left towards South Wharf Convention Centre.
Keep right and then
Use the
turn
left
left.
lane to keep left towards South Wharf Convention Centre and Docklands.
Keep right.
Did you say right lane?
Yeah, she goes keep right.
Okay.
Keep left, then
Oh.
continue onto
I'll
Warrenjerry
keep
Way.
left now.
Continue onto
See what I mean?
Warrenjerry Way.
See what I mean?
Oh, she said turn.
Yeah.
Keep left, but keep right.
Do you see what I mean?
Okay.
That's why I said I need Danielle here to look at the phone while she's talking. Because she can say something and I read it a different way.
Yeah, it felt like she said keep right.
Yeah, because she's telling us to right and then left. You know what I mean? It can confuse you if you don't remember the order.
Yeah.
What's that street called? Flinders Street. Oh yeah, Flinders Street. Okay, woman. Oh, we must be turning right because there's nowhere else to go.
Stay in the second or third lane from the left.
What the fuck? I'm gonna be in the... I know, there's nothing I can do about this. I don't know where I'm going. Okay, she said left, eh? For real, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, with that car, let us in.
Yeah. I could have gone if I went harder, but I was staring at that full white line. Okay, shit. Couple of things. I'm gonna get a ticket.
Come all the way to the city to get a ticket.
Please tell me we have to stay on this side.
Stupid, that man's really not helpful.
Yeah, it is if someone's looking at it. You want to look at it?
No, please don't risk it.
Oh.
Because I'll be taking us back to
No,
home.
because I can't look at it. You know what I mean? Because if they film me looking at it while I'm driving,
Oh,
then,
you got no sticker.
then I get a big fine. Huh?
You got no sticker like the taxi driver.
No, if there's no stand here for it. Look, there's nothing here for it. But I'm saying if I hold it and pick it up and look at it, and they film me, then I'll get a big fine. They're trying to even say now that the person next to you can't hold it.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Dudley Street towards City.
Right. Okay.
We're on the road.
We shouldn't be far from there now, surely.
Did she say Dudley Street?
Yeah, it's
or-
coming up now.
Oh, okay.
It's because it was only 500 meters. So it's got to be this one. Now, which side do I go, left or right? I don't know.
You just
Use the
leave it.
right 2 lanes to turn right.
So
Okay.
that means I stay right, eh? By the sounds of it, eh?
Right 2 lanes.
Yeah. See, there's a city
Turn
bypass and there's a city.
Yeah, that's Dudley Street.
Yeah. Oh, I don't think we're far from there now. I think if we could get a car park, we would be good to go. Talk again? Talk again? Hurry up.
In 1 kilometer, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Peel Street.
Roundabout.
Yeah.
There's no roundabout here, Nick. Okay.
Second Street.
No, she said roundabout.
Yeah.
So it was straight.
So probably you just gotta keep
Yeah.
going until we meet up with the roundabout.
No, this is what she's calling a roundabout.
What?
Yeah, but when they say second, that means it's straight. You know how you got the first on your left and then straight is right. I mean second. And this is where we're going to have problems because we're going to start hitting streets where they're one-way trams. Please be on this side where we're turning, not left.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks like they're walking to the market. No? No.
I have no idea.
No, they're just going for coffee.
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Peel Street.
Okay,
There
walk
is a
straight.
roundabout coming.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Peel Street. What do you want us to go on Peel Street for? There's car park sign there. Oh no, these people are paying for road parking. Which one am I going on, lady? Quick.
At the roundabout,
It's a
take
roundabout.
the second exit onto Peel Street, then turn left onto Franklin Street.
Okay, shit. Hurry up.
This
Hurry up.
is the roundabout.
I know, I need to go straight. Right there.
Oh.
Okay, quick car park. Quick car park.
Use the right lane to make a U-turn.
No, I need a car park now.
Yeah, we just go find us a car park.
Anywhere
She doesn't
around
have
here,
to
eh?
tell us now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the car park? Where's the car park? There's the car park. Look for a sign that says car park and we'll go and
Yeah, I know.
Turn left onto Victoria Street, then turn left onto Capel Street.
Alright. Now, tell us, lady, where the secret car parks are. She's laughing with the other guy going, now watch this funny part. Because he accidentally found it. Now let's trick him where he's gonna park. She's going to her friend. Oh, let's make him park the furthest one from the shops. Okay. Your bionic eyes to see, okay? Along here, anywhere along here. If you see a car park, tell me. And I'll
Turn left onto Capel Street, then turn left onto William
This is a
Street.
one way. This is a one way. Oh, hurry up, people cross over. No, yeah. Okay. I don't know my way around here. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, is these are paid ones or these ones?
Even if we have to pay,
Yeah,
and
no,
it's
just
not
like-
a farm.
Do you have to live here or what?
What
See,
about
they got
here?
Numbers. They got numbers.
Yeah, what about here? We
I
just
know. This takes 1 hour.
It's an hour park. Oh, there's a 2 hour park right there.
Where? Where?
Right there on the right.
Where?
Right on the right, yeah.
Oh,
There's-
yeah. But
there's
do you have to live here?
No, who cares?
Oh, cool.